Okay, so I just wanted to show a few more things. First of all was just that you can use max and min in these summarize functions. So if we go summarize max month equals max of total sales. So what's happening here? Oops. I think maybe one extra. Yeah. So it's saying that it's grouping by the year, and then for each year it's looking at all the monthly sales and just telling you the max. Okay, so max and min month equals min. Alright, whatever. You can also pick up standard deviation, which is just SD. Why don't we add that in as well? SD month. So sort of the spread of the months for that year. Oops. Total sales. All right, so they're all worked fine. Now, remember before how we were running a sum and a mean on a vector with an NA in it. So how would we go about adding in an NA? So, like, we could, if we wanted to, we could specify. So we can use our conditional. So we could mutate total sales, and we can make that equal, so if else. So we can set a condition. So if year equals 2016 and month equals April, what do we want to do? Let's give it NA. NA real, I think we had to do. Yeah. Else, just give total sales. See if that works. Yeah, it did. Okay, so that hasn't actually overwritten it. It's just done that. We could also do something like this. So we can go row 1, column 3, and we can say give that NA. So what that has done is it has assigned NA to that value. To override, this is always risky business, doing this. Like it's overriding the same thing, because what it means is that if you do it again and like you can't sort of do it twice, it sort of becomes a circular reference. In this case, it's not so bad. Yeah, but what you could do is just have a second option and then process. Process upon that second object, which is probably more sensible. Okay, so the reason why this is not going to work as well, because we've got an NA value inside 2016. Okay, so we need to fix it. Now, generally, if we run on this thing here, so we can see the NA value. We might want to replace it. So we can go mutate total sales equals if else. So we go is.na total sales, then put 0, else put whatever is in the value for total sales. Okay, so there we go. We could also, so that's an if else. A simpler version of if else is replace NA. So of total sales, if there's any NAs in it, replace it with 0. We'll get the same thing. Cool. So that's just a bit of a handling of NAs that I wanted to cover. Great. Let's stop it there and do another video.